or well, not the first time ever, but this is the first time I've actually seen this lift with an indicator that... Okay, so I'm back in Porirua, back at this old thing. Looks the same to me from the outside, this EPL-KONE SEMAG, but when we get inside, they've put a new floor indicator in here. Let's go to 2. So this used to have an LED indicator like the one outside, but it's been changed now to this. Let's go back down the ground. Original buttons. EPL-KONE. Capacity 7 persons, 525 kgs. Still maintained by KONE. Hydraulic. And here we are. There it goes, and that's it.